Are you looking for the best office chairs? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best office chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best for most people. The chair's height adjustable lumbar support satisfied most testers, though one remarked, "I wish it offered a bit more support like the steel case Leap." Still, its seat height ranges from 17.5 to 21.5 inches, accommodating both short and tall users, while the seat pan depth and armrest width adjust easily even while seated. This flexibility makes it ideal for diverse body types, proving you don't need a premium price tag for premium comfort. Specifications: comfortable hours 8.00 HRS. Manufacturer weight limit 125 kilograms 275 pounds. Measured points of adjustment 7. Measured tilt-meter stopping points none. Gear lab assembly time 12 minutes. One flaw in the branch ergonomic chair stood out after long hours: the hard plastic armrests. The biggest downfall for this chair was the armrests. For me, I've even found some rocks more comfortable, groaned one tester. Despite its strong performance in adjustability compared to pricier rivals, the chair's 275-pound weight limit reflects its less robust build, a common trade-off as price drops. For larger users, this might signal durability concerns. Number 2. Best buy for back support. We also loved the two-way adjustable headrest, offering 3.9 inches of height range and pivot tilt. "It's perfect for leaning back after a long day," said a tester, appealing to office gamers seeking dual-purpose comfort. The breathable mesh back keeps you cool in humid settings, while the low seat height and lounge-friendly design make the M18 a versatile, value-packed choice for all sizes. Specifications: comfortable hours 7.00 HRS. Manufacturer weight limit 150 kilograms 330 pounds. Measured points of adjustment 5. Measured tilt-meter stopping points none. Gear lab assembly time 16 minutes. The Saihu M18 offers above-average seat comfort but comes with quirks. "The wheels catching as I rolled around drove me nuts," one tester vented. Adjustments, though plentiful, were a hassle. Stiff knobs and jerky lumbar shifts frustrated us, and the fixed seat pan, unlike most ergonomic chairs, might affect circulation for some. Number 3. Best on a tight budget. That beats all but 3 premium chairs like the steel case Leap and Herman Miller models, which cost nearly 10 times more. Its 331-pound weight limit also tops the typical 275-pound cap of budget chairs, accommodating more body types affordably. The standout: a backrest with a 62-degree tilt and responsive resistance. "It's like the chair hugged me when I leaned back," a tester noted. This budget-friendly option delivers surprisingly comfort and durability without breaking the bank for homework or light work from home days. Specifications: comfortable hours 8.00 HRS. Manufacturer weight limit 150 kilograms 331 pounds. Measured points of adjustment 4. Measured tilt-meter stopping points none. Gear lab assembly time 10 minutes. The Modeway articulate ergonomic mesh lacks the standout support of premium chairs. The lumbar support felt adequate yet left most wanting more, and our shorter testers struggled. Seat height and armrests were too high, leaving their feet dangling. For a lower 16-inch seat height, the Saihu M18 is a better pick at a slightly higher cost, with superior lumbar and a breathable mesh back. Number 4. Best luxury office chair. The steel case Leap's luxury comes at a steep price, though it offers various fabric options and configurations, some less adjustable and more affordable. For a strong, cheaper alternative, the steel case Amia saves hundreds, though its adjustability suits average-sized users better, lacking the Leap's range. Its live lumbar flexes with movement but doesn't offer intensity settings, disappointing our lumbar-focused testers. "I love lumbar support, but the AMIA just didn't hit the mark for me, one tester noted. If you can splurge on the Leap, its durability shines. We've tested it for nearly a decade, and it remains our top pick. On a budget but craving adjustability? The Branch ergonomic chair offers 7 adjustment points that, while less smooth than the Leaps, deliver surprising comfort once dialed in. Specifications: comfortable hours 10.00 HRS. Manufacturer weight limit 181 kg 400 pounds. Measured points of adjustment 8. Measured tilt-meter stopping points 5. Gear lab assembly time 1 minute.